Edge and gone through.
Especially because there's a gap between him and the first slip.
Oh, he's clipped it. I was just going to say, Tino, that what happens is he does tend to expose his leg stump when he tries to work something.
Look at that, how far across he gets to the leg side. He'll be disappointed. As you say, it's really not a wicket-taking delivery.
And to top that, he might find himself in trouble with the match referee. But he's whacked the stumps with his bat. And he's straight away off the mark with that boundary.
And that's a gift, first ball up for Zulkifar. Timed it away nicely, got it fine of the man who's quite square. The match referee. Disappointed, yes, but that's a no-no.
Shot. It was width available and Benkenstein won't spare.
Rolls the wrists nicely over that one. It's a boundary.
Nicely done through the line. It was too full and Benkenstein just
firmly struck.
Oh, he's missed it. It was slightly short and it's pulled away.
He's overcompensated, hasn't he? Ball before, too full and too straight. This one he's tried to pull the length back. It's not all that short, but short enough. 37 wickets to the spinners, 45 to the seamers.
Oh, that is a soft dismissal. That is a soft dismissal. That was a ball you never expect to take a wicket on.
Short, he can hit that ball any way he wants. I think he wanted to get it finer of that man.
That's a clean strike. Nice, fluent swing.
Arafat Minhas has been extremely impressive in this Pakistan Junior League.
Yes, that reverse sweep. And played to perfection.
The overall approach in the batting has been superb, even though they have lost 2 wickets, but they are looking at attacking the bowlers.
Cleaned him up. Playing across the line of the ball, always risky.
Luke Benkenstein, he was looking dangerous, played across the line. And the spinner, using that carom ball, gets the big wicket. Look at that celebration, what it means to him.
Cut away again. And then recently that Luke Benkenstein, and they just need to just make sure that run rate doesn't nosedive. Talk about how important it is.
That's a good take. Oh, I thought he got it. That's well done.
The pace, look how he just opens the face. He knows that third is a little bit wide. Quick outfield at the Gaddafi Stadium.
Oh, there's a chance of the non-strikers. Trouble, trouble, gone.
They know that they're putting the fielders under pressure. And just that little bobble. Ultimately, yes, it is Daniel Ibrahim's call. Surely there was never a run there.
He's got a top edge of it, and this is an opportunity. That's a big wicket, I tell you that.
I think he's trying to get on top of it. Oh, he doesn't know. He actually goes up, and hence why he's giving an opportunity.
Drone camera.
Bowled him. This is a different type. Just rolling it from middle to off. Taking pace off, a scramble seam. And he hits the bullseye. Should be taken. He was searching for that boundary, as you mentioned, Tino.
Yeah, the more they continue to lose these wickets, the Sharks, the more difficult it's going to be for them to try and get to that 135 mark that you're talking about, Darren. This one's just got onto him quickly. He's just trying to heave that away. Good catch in the end from Wakas.
Another slow ball. So unlucky.
The thinking was right, and so was the field, because he's got the third man up saying, if I take pace off the ball, then it's probably very difficult for it to run down to the boundary, but it's the momentum from the big swing from Shoaib.
There's another one, but it will find a fielder.
It's the slow ball again. No short and wide. He's actually hit it quite well. I didn't realize he coached you, tough man. Run out.
Trying to eke every single run. Was a play and a miss. Striker just advanced and ended up in no man's land. How soft a dismissal this is. Maybe he was lured by the call from his partner. Slapped over that short fine leg. It might run away.
I don't know if this is the smartest delivery with the 45 in the circle. Obviously, a couple of balls to go in the innings. The batsman's going to go for it.
Let's go full. And it's a dot delivery and a wicket too. Will be the end of the innings. They've been bowled out, the Sharks. Yep. By the look of it, he's way short. And we should get confirmation of that 10th and final wicket.